Hello ladies, my name is Zara. Welcome back from Purse Hunters, and today we have an amazing unboxing for a bag that we have actually available at the moment on our website. So we just received this beauty yesterday. By the way, if you're interested in our new arrivals and our new drops, follow us on Instagram because we drop everything in our stories. And we have actually very exciting drop-offs. But today I wanted to show you something very, very pretty. All right, we have something very pretty in this beautiful dust bag. And this is going to be this gorgeous orangey red medium flap. This one has silver hardware. Condition is absolutely excellent. Like the shape and the puffs and the quills, everything look like a perfection. I mean, this is perfect actually gift for somebody who you really love, like yourself, for example, or somebody who you want to surprise. Anyway, so classic flap is the most requested bag along with mini, and the most one that probably we've sold throughout the years. They come in many fabrics, many variations. This bag comes in lambskin, which is this one. It comes in caviar, it comes in tweed, it comes in patent. There's like many variations, but lambskin and caviar, they're the most durable bags. I mean, of course, if you're gonna compare lambskin to caviar, lambskin it's way more I would say like fragile than caviar, because caviar is grained calfskin and it's way more durable. But you know, I've had my bag in lambskin for quite a few years. I don't wear it every day and it still looks the same as it looked when I purchased it. I mean, it just looks fabulous. So you know, don't be afraid. If you have many bags to switch and rotate, don't be afraid to get lambskin, because it can last you for many years. I would say decades. So this bag, I love the color. It's so bright. It's so great for upcoming spring and summer. This is definitely a statement bag, because you know, it's really hard to miss this bright bag when you wear it. And I love the color. You know, it's not red and it's not orange, and I think it has a little bit pink in it. I mean, I love bright colors as well as neutral ones. It just depends, you know, sometimes on your mood what you want to wear. But this one, it's definitely like eye catcher. So we have here, as all classic flaps, we have a double flap, we have a second flap right there, and then we have a pocket that you can see that you know, opens to all your belongings. And this one, by the way, that this bag, it's series 27. It comes with everything: dust bag, box, card, like all those things that my clients always love to get. So yes, this one is quite roomy, you know, if you compare it to small or mini. Obviously this bag has more space, but if you compare this to jumbo, it has much less space than jumbo. And also because this bag has a second flap kind of like stops you to overfill it with things, so you cannot fit much, but you can definitely fit essentials here. And I highly recommend you, I always say this to my clients, highly recommend you to get an insert for the bag. for several reasons. I think I mentioned this in the previous videos, but I'll continue saying this because probably, you know, you watch one video and you're not gonna watch all of them. Because first of all, you gotta protect your bag from the inside, because all those things that you throw in your bag, and especially since this is a lambskin, it's very easy to scratch it. For the, if there are keys and you throw them in the bag, and then if you put, like, let's say sunglasses or something like that, that it's easy to damage, you're gonna scratch it inside. So one of the reasons why to get an insert or shaper, it's to protect your bag. And another reason is, you know, it's gonna help to maintain the shape for a longer time, which is great. You know, you can use it, you can love it, and then you can sell it. And one of the advantages that you're gonna have is that the bag looks absolutely fabulous inside. So this one has a silver hardware. I love both, to be honest. It just depends on the color of the bag, but silver hardware I like a lot too. And I've heard also an opinion that a gold hardware fades out faster than silver one. I cannot agree or disagree with that. I don't have a classic flap with silver hardware or any. Yeah, I actually have one bag with silver hardware, but gold hardware can also be durable. It just depends how you use it and, you know, how you treat your bags. I recommend you getting also a moisturizer and moisturize your bags here and there, because especially if you live somewhere where the climate is dry, it's gonna help your bags to last way longer. I mean, here in Florida, we don't have to worry about that because it's very humid, but I mean, if you live somewhere in Colorado, you definitely have to take care of you know, of the skin. Another point I wanted to talk about is how to store your bag. So if you are going to just put this bag on the shelf, and that's the only position that the bag will be standing all the time, you might have you know, probably a risk of getting a crease over here. So I recommend you rotating the way that you store your bag. So I would say that keep it in a dust bag for like quite a bit, right? Then take it out, put it in the bag. I would say for a little bit, maybe for a week or so. So the quilts are not gonna flatten. Then keep it standing like this. Then put it back in the dust bag. So rotate it. And you know, this is a great tip that I didn't know of when I just started the business and started collecting the bags, because it would really help you out, especially with this creasing line, because this bag tend to have it, and rotating the position that you storage the bag can, you know, decrease the chances of, you know, you having any type of problems with leather in the future, or again, creasing lines. And also, guys, I would like to mention that all our bags are triple checked before we list them. They're all 100% authentic. But for your peace of mind, if you want to authenticate it with any third company that it's out there and we don't know of, we're more than happy to do that. When you are shopping for pre-owned bags, I highly recommend you to just check the seller. You know, if you have a chance to get the references. If not, you can always, if it's Instagram, you can check when the profile was registered. Anyway, I would like to do a separate video on this topic because there's a lot to talk about. But regarding this beauty, so it comes with a original box, it comes with a card, it comes with original dust bag. If you want it to be certified, we can certify it. We guarantee authenticity like 1,000,000%. So there's last thing you have to worry about. If you have any questions, as usual, you feel free to ask me. Our website is pursehunters.com. We drop everything in a website when we have new arrivals, but the best way to follow us is in our Instagram, because we do the drops in the stories, and we show you the close-ups, we show you the mod shots in the video version, and we also do a very exciting unboxing. So follow us on Instagram and don't miss the chance to score great bags. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye.